Welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. But first, I want to apologize for not being that constant uploading my content these past few weeks. It's been extremely busy, but I am already working in very nice few ideas that I have to upload and recipes. And please, if you have a recipe you want us to work in and to learn how to cook, I love to read it in the comment sections. I love your messages, by the way, the messages, the encouragement, all the love. I read them all. I love to read your comments. I love to read those Instagram DMs that you send me. You can DM me there if you have I love the prayer requests that you send me there. I love to be connected with you and your families, and I love to hear from you. So without any more delay, we're gonna start with our first recipe of 2023. And because it's January and we just finished our season of Christmas, by the way, I hope you and your family had a wonderful, blessed Christmas, a happy New Year's Eve with your family, sharing love and kindness to each other. But we love to eat during this season. So this first recipe is healthy, but super delicious, and even the kids love it because it's vegetables, but very, very flavorful. And it's one of my favorites actually. It's a very humble origin, but delicious. And it's ratatouille, or ratatouille in English. And it's very easy to make, and you can even use the sauce to make this ratatouille. You can make it in many other dishes. So let's start. Welcome to Cooking with Hilda, and today we are making ratatouille. And to make the ratatouille, we start with very fresh tomatoes. And we cut the bottom of this tomato like a little cross on the bottom, and we let it set like around 20 minutes. We let it rest in very hot water, like boiling water. You boil the water, then you take it out of the fire of the stove and put the tomatoes there and let it rest, cover for around 20 minutes. And while the tomatoes are getting ready, we chop some carrots and some onion and 1 or 2 garlic cloves that you can mince there. And we're gonna saute them in olive oil. You saute and add a little bit of butter. And now we go back to the tomatoes and peel them carefully and make a sauce. We blend it and put it in the pan where we are sauteing the onion and garlic and carrots. And you add salt, pepper, herb de Provence, thyme, and maybe some basil. And this is the secret to this sauce. It has to simmer low and slow for around 20 minutes, 30 minutes until it thickens, like this one. Now, while the sauce is resting, we prepare our vegetables. Fresh, delicious vegetables. Green zucchini, yellow zucchini, eggplant, and I like to use red onion, but of course you can substitute the red onion with other kind of onion, or even use potatoes or more tomatoes instead of onion, and cut them in the same size. After we cut it, we let the eggplant to rest in cold water, cold salted water, so it doesn't get browned. Now, we grab an oven-safe plate and we pour the sauce on top of it. And we're gonna start the topping with the vegetables, the colorful, delicious, super healthy vegetables that are gonna keep us in shape. And when we finish, we just have to pour a little bit of olive oil and herb de Provence and maybe some thyme, whatever herbs are your favorite, and salt. And we pour this very good quality olive oil on top of it. And we cover the dish with aluminum foil and let it roast in the oven for around 40 minutes. And after that, we uncover it and let it for 20 more minutes in the oven. Now, when you take that dish and you try it, you're gonna see that we can be super healthy, eating delicious. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this super healthy ratatouille, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.